Hey guys, welcome to my neon headdress tutorial. I'm going to show you how to create this amazing neon yellow crown, perfect for festivals, parties, photo shoots, Instagram makeups, you name it, or if you just fancy a lovely project. So we are going to begin by using cable ties, which I ordered from Amazon Prime in varying degrees and lengths. And these are super affordable. And we're going to be fixing them onto a metal hairband, also from Amazon Prime. These come in multi-packs, so you can make several crowns. I didn't use all of the lengths in this headdress. I decided to use the three in the middle of the range. So I didn't use the longest and I didn't use the shortest, simply because the longest would have been too floppy. I arranged a different sizing with three of this sort of small medium, one of the small, and then one of the long. And I followed the same pattern all the way around the circumference of the crown. When you attach these, make sure that you pull the cable ties tight. You will find, as you work your way around the circumference of the metal hairband, that the cable ties along the end of the hairband will slip off the end quite easily. So just make sure that you carefully attach the cable ties in that pattern. Using a glue gun, which is also available from Amazon. If you haven't gathered, I'm an Amazon queen. Make sure you fix the cable ties along the base of the hairband. Here I am talking about Montana cans. We are moving on to the next step, which is the spray painting. I chose the white and the UV yellow for this. Now you will need to give your crown a base coat with the white so that the neon, moving on to the neon, will then shine brighter with a whiter base. Apologies for my disgusting nails. I'm an artist, I've been working and I didn't have time to get an infill, so please don't comment about my nails. So you will need to give the headdress several coats of the neon yellow after. Moving on to the focal point of the headdress. This is a crown I got from Hysteria Machine and I decided to make two crowns out of one. And I spray painted this crown the same as the cable ties. I went in with the white first and then with the yellow. I also cut up pieces of tiara. Then I spray painted these star clothing embellishments. These are supposed to be used on denim, I believe. Again, spray painted them white and then UV. This is the front of the crown, the Hysteria crown. I then attached the stars and the pieces of tiara to the focal point and attached both crowns to a larger hairband and glue gunned the whole thing. And that is the finished result, guys. And then I attached the stars to the wig. This is the neon under UV, sort of gentle UV lighting. To finish off this look, the added accessory was a metal glove from Laurie Sun Artistry, which I spray painted as a finishing touch for the whole look to match the crown. As the final touch to my neon Skulltress look, which I created last month, I completed this makeup design with this crown. The crown appears to be a lot heavier than it is. It was in fact very, very light and comfortable to wear. I really, really enjoyed making this tutorial, this piece for this look. I just realised that I have no food in my flat and I finished the last of my shreddies. So I have to go down the shop like this, or could answer, "Hey delivery man." And if you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel and also to my Instagram page, which is at the Wigs and Makeup Manager, or my beauty page, which is at Skulltress Beauty. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and tag me in your recreations and credit me in your Instagram posts when you go to create a beautiful headdress. Have a lovely day.